Can you empty a house before probate, and how to clear the house? That's our topic today. Let's get started right after this. A death in the family can be very emotional. It's a time of mourning and grief, but also cherishing memories and coming to terms with your loved one's passing. It's only natural that you might want to collect sentimental items from their home as soon as possible. Unfortunately, you should be cautious about doing that in California. The law in California prevents relatives of the deceased from removing items or emptying a house before probate. Hi, I'm Kim Ward. I'm a certified probate real estate advisor here in San Diego, California. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Now let's continue. These are things you probably don't want to think about while you're grieving, but it's good information to know when a probate is likely in your future. Every probate property has remaining personal contents, and executors or administrators usually need help emptying a house. Did you know that under the probate legal process, these items, along with the real estate, are technically considered property? The difference is the one is categorized as real probate property, real for real estate, and the other is categorized as personal property. While you may have good intentions, the state wants to stop anyone from removing items and emptying a house before probate to prevent fraud or theft. The home of the deceased may contain items of value such as jewelry, money, and family heirlooms. The court doesn't want anyone, intentionally or unintentionally, take items the will specifically leaves to someone else. Even if the probate process goes smoothly, it can still take a while before you can clear the house. Probate typically doesn't start until weeks after a death, depending on court availability. Your responsibility is to sell the house, but what about everything that comes with the house? In most cases, you need to eventually clear the house. That's where many personal representatives, executors, or administrators get overwhelmed. A lot of real estate agents don't even mention the task of emptying a house and don't know how to guide the personal representative on what to do with the contents of the house. But I know how to maximize the profit potential of every property, including the personal property, and how to keep it as simple as possible for you, the personal representative, in the process of emptying a house. I hope you're finding this of value so far. If you do, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so that the algorithm knows that this is good content and will share it with others just like you. Sometimes the personal contents are significantly large, not only in quantity, but also in value. When that's the case, I introduce my executor and administrator clients to my go-to estate liquidation company. This estate sale company is in the business of helping you and the probate beneficiaries maximize the sale of each and every single one of those personal items, and just as important, helping with emptying a house. If you'd like to watch another video specifically about estate sales, click the link up here above. Sometimes the personal contents aren't enough to have an estate sale, and in that case, we can clear a house by scheduling a buyout. A few months ago, I was chosen to help with a home in San Diego. The deceased was really involved with gaming, and he had amassed a collection of some of the most eclectic items I'd ever seen at an estate sale. People love to collect tons of stuff. It's kind of the American way. It's part of who we are as human beings. And as the executor, you have three options for emptying a house: estate sale, buyout, or donation. So when I was helping my client with the home that had such a collection, I first introduced her to my estate sale company. But she decided she didn't want a bunch of people coming in and out of the house going through her son's items. So her next option was a buyout, and that's what she chose. She chose to have a buyout where they came in, removed everything within a few days, and then we had a vacant house to do some cost-effective repairs so that she could get it on the market and have it be sold so she could have closure regarding her son's passing. My team at Probate and Trust Help, we help families with emptying a house and the preparation, the marketing, and the successful sale of the home in probate. We help with the problems that most families face, like figuring out what to do with all of the personal property a loved one accumulates over the years. The personal items can be a hurdle in the ability to clear a house and to move forward with the sale of the biggest asset, the real estate. That's what we help to do. So it's in the best interest of the estate to have a team that can help support the personal representative with decades of experience and solutions to resolve your problems. Now you might want to watch the linked video below, Estate Sale versus Buyout for your loved one's personal property. That should be your next step. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, hit that bell button, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.